Today I have a simple trick to save your money. Use ready-made ceramic coating kits to use yourself and save money. Do you know the professional ceramic coating cost you how much? Hundreds, even 1,000 dirhams? Coming to the previous point, I was mentioning about do it yourself ceramic coating. Means watching YouTube videos and performing the ceramic coating by yourself can cost you much more than a professional ceramic coating. While watching YouTube videos, you'll think that it's easy to perform, but the work is actually more than what you think. There are different steps in ceramic coating. First of all, washing, wiping the car, different steps of polishing. Moreover, each and every ceramic coating brand has its own way of application. As you can see in this video, see the car is already with some patch on the body. It's because of the ceramic coating performed himself by the customer. The end result is that customer tried to save his money and he's ending up in spending again and again. So, what do you think? Professional ceramic coating or do it yourself ceramic coating?